Hello and welcome to my video. So in this video I will show you how to turn on a power washer and demonstrate how to power wash stone. So we are in the courtyard here and you can see where the courtyard stone turns black. And you have to power wash this at least every year. And you can see where it's black stone and over there where the stone is lighter. And so this has not been power washed actually in 2 years. So what we're going to do over here, I'm just going to show you. So the first thing we have is we have the water hose hooked to the side of the power washer. This is a 2500 psi, which is pounds per square inch power washer, and I guess it's by Excel. And then over here you have your power washer heads, which controls the power, either a very straight stream, heavy pressure, or you can widen the pressure with this pressure washer tip. We've already got a tip on the end of the power washer, which I'll show in a moment. And so the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure you have gasoline, fresh gasoline and oil in the power washer, because this is a gasoline power washer. It takes non-ethanol gas, so that way it doesn't destroy the small engine. So over here, we've already hooked up the power washer cord, the gray one. And the green one is, of course, the garden hose, which is hooked to the house. So over here we have the power washer, and we're going to pick it up here and I'll show you the wand. So let's look at the handle. So we got the handle here with a power washer, I guess, trigger. Then we go down the wand, and right here is where this, you would put the power washer wand on the end of the gun, and then you have your power washer tip, which goes right on the end, and this one is a wide spray. Okay, so what we're going to do next is we're going to come over here and we're going to start the engine. So this is what it looks like, how long the wand is. Okay, all right, so next thing we're going to do, when you hook up the garden hose to the power washer in the wand, the first thing you want to do, you want to bleed the power washer wand. So go ahead and bleed it. So you're bleeding out the old water in the garden hose, correct? Okay, so we're just bleeding it out. You can see that happening. And I'm not sure how long you do this. Will the stream just end?
Spitting.
So, oh, it will quit spitting. So it's spitting like a camel.
It's got air in it.
It's got air in the hose. Okay, so the power washer again has wheels where you can easily pull the power washer along your area. So the first thing you want to do, you want to turn on the power washer. The next thing you want to do, you want to pull the choke out. Then you want to pull the cord. And then when you pull the cord, it will start. Then